Greetings from Manitowoc Lutheran High School. My name is Ryan Hulse, and I have the privilege of serving as the Director of Mission Advancement here at MLHS. I would like to just take this opportunity to invite all of you to come and check out Manitowoc Lutheran High School. We have a couple events coming up which would serve that opportunity for you. We have an open house on February 15th. That's open to everybody in our community to come check out our high school, get a tour, learn a little bit about our education and our classes that we offer here. It would be a great opportunity to teach you and get you familiar with our capital campaign and the new addition of a second gym, chapel, and a weight room. We're really excited about that opportunity. We also have our musical coming up in March 11th, 12th, and 13th, Fiddler on the Roof. Be a good chance for you to come and see the talent that our students have here and the abilities that God has given them. We invite you to Manitowoc Lutheran High School. Have a great day.